Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the difference between home buyers and investors. Now, before we do that, if you like my video so far, if you learned something from there, please do like and subscribe now. And don't forget to share with the people that you know so they can learn from my video as well. Okay, coming to the difference between home buyers and investors. Now, it's very obvious that home buyers, they are buying for their own stay, and investors, they are investing into the property to get a return. Okay, now why this is important for you to differentiate between those two is that, say for example, you are the buyers, okay, and you need to determine if you're buying the property for own stay or for investing, okay, because they are two different things. For example, if you're buying a property, you could be getting the property quite far away. But the thing is in Rawang area maybe, but then there's no rental, nobody is staying there. But because you're buying for own stay, it's okay. So you're eliminating a lot of criteria for the investment property. Now, say for example, if you were to buy a property for investing, then there are many criteria to look for. For example, you need to look into the occupancy, how much is the rental, whether or not there's any infrastructure, any public transport, something like that. So when it comes to property investment, there is more criteria to look into. This is always, I always appreciate to a lot of people that if you're going to buy any property for own stay, it could be anywhere, that's fine. Even if it's convenient for you, if you were to work in the Bukit Beruntung, by all means you can buy in Bukit Beruntung. But when it comes to property investment, you have to think twice, because for own stay you don't need a lot of criteria. By the end of the day, you're staying there. Yes, sometimes you're buying the property hoping that you're staying there maybe 10 years, after that you plan to sell, but that is another discussion. It's completely different. But when it comes to property investment, you have to make sure that are you going to buy as a home buyers, or you're going to buy as an investors. So you have to make sure you don't mix that up, because the moment when you mix it up, there's a potential that you're going to make a wrong decision, especially when you're investing, but you're using the mindset of home buyers. So I hope this short video you can learn something from there. And if you have any questions, just you can ask in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'll see you guys.